children of God, between Good Friday and Easter Sunday lies a day that many Christians call Black Saturday. It is the day when the world seemed to pause in grief after the death of Jesus. The word black does not only describe darkness, but also deep mourning. In many cultures, black is the color worn when people grieve for someone they love. After the crucifixion, the disciples felt fear, confusion, and sadness. Their teacher was gone, and the future looked uncertain. The tomb was sealed, and the stone stood as a symbol of finality. No miracles were happening, no crowds were gathering, and no hopeful speeches were heard. It was a quiet and heavy day, filled with waiting and unanswered questions. That is why Christians remember it as Black Saturday, the dark pause between tragedy and triumph. Yet the story did not end in blackness.